Hey guys, so here there's a snowstorm coming up, and I just want to give y'all a couple of tips and tricks. One, put a blanket over your car so you can pull the snow right off. Please don't buy food in bulk. If your power goes out, you're gonna regret it. Buy cordial and lighter fluid in case your gas goes out. Sounds crazy, but you'll be able to cook. Always keep cash on hand. If stores lose power, there's no way to swipe a debit card. Don't risk your life trying to get to your job. If it snows, you just can't go. And remember, take this time out to relax, get some quality time in with your family, or maybe just for even yourself. This is a time to get next to the people that you love and make memories. Make new ones. Heck, if you can, get up out there and get in that snow and make snow angels. Just remember to love one another, and most importantly, don't forget to love yourself. Use this time as a blessing. And always remember, you can weather any storm with God. Peace.